Gentlemen, let me welcome you all to this emergency meeting. You will recall that during our last meeting held 4 weeks ago, on 9th September 2021, we received briefings and reviewed preparations for the forthcoming Anambra State governorship election. You may also recall that a major concern raised by members was the security situation in the state in particular and the adjoining states in general, and how these might affect preparations and possibly the conduct of the election. Unfortunately, the situation has deteriorated markedly since our last meeting. Many innocent lives have been lost and property destroyed. From the reports we have received, the stated goal of many of the attackers is that the governorship election scheduled for the 6th of November 2021 must not hold. This is worrisome for the Commission. We are deeply concerned that specific electoral facilities and materials could once more become targets of attack. Recall that in May this year, our state office in Oka was attacked and all the non-sensitive materials assembled for the election at the time were destroyed. In addition, our store, collection center, and the main office building were either totally or substantially damaged. The Commission also lost several vehicles to be used for the election. Happily, we have almost fully recovered from that attack. The destroyed buildings have been either completely repaired or nearing completion, and we have fully replaced the materials destroyed. This rapid recovery has only been possible because this is a one-off season election. We have sourced some of these materials, such as the 326 electric generators and vehicles destroyed in the attack, from the neighboring states. However, should we again lose vital materials and facilities, the ongoing preparations for the election would be adversely affected. The Commission is particularly concerned about the safety of voters on election day, as well as the safety of election duty staff, including security officials who have become the targets of these attacks as well. The thousands of young Nigerians that we intend to deploy for the election, most of them National Youth Service Corps members and university students, need to be reassured of their personal safety. At the same time, deployment for the election will involve the movement of huge consignments of sensitive and non-sensitive materials to the 21 local government areas of the state, 326 wards or registration areas, 5,720 polling units. That means also that there are 6,000 locations to be protected. If we add that to about 26,000 officials that will be deployed for the election, we begin to appreciate the magnitude of the challenge in securing the Anambra governorship election, which is only 32 days away from today. Perhaps never before in our history has the importance of election security in a governorship election been this urgent. The Commission is aware that this is by no means an easy task. We appreciate the enormous challenges that the security agencies are presently facing in Anambra State, which entail not only securing the electoral process, but also enforcing law and order generally. This is particularly worrisome because the security agencies have also become prime targets of these mindless attacks. It is in the light of these recent and seemingly escalating threats that the Commission has convened this emergency meeting. We will continue to work with the security agencies and in consultation with respected opinion leaders in Anambra State and the National Peace Committee to ensure that these hit-and-run attacks do not derail the electoral process. We wish to assure the people of Anambra State that the Commission is determined to proceed with the election as scheduled. To underscore this determination, the Commission is implementing 2 more activities on the timetable for the election in the next few days. The register of voters will be presented to political parties in Oka on Thursday, 7th October 2021. On the same day, the Commission will publish the final list of candidates for the election. We are confident that at the end of this meeting, we will bring up specific measures necessary to further guarantee the safety of all persons involved in the election, from voters, election officials, observers, media organizations, and the security of election materials. On this note, let me once again welcome you to this meeting. I thank you for your presence despite the short notice, and I look forward to our usual candid deliberations.
Separatist groups in the southeast region are bent on scuttling the election in the state in furtherance of their separatist agenda. Undoubtedly, this constitutes a clear and present danger to the nation's democratic process and consolidation. I wish to state that the Office of the National Security Advisor is working assiduously with relevant security and intelligence agencies toward arresting the foregoing public trend and other associated security challenges in the southeast zone and beyond. This determination of the presidency is already being translated into action by the recent joint military operation codenamed Golden Dawn in the southeast, as well as other security operations across the country. This is in addition to the increasing collaboration between the federal and state southeast governors toward addressing the underlying socio-economic drivers of insecurity in the region. Once again, I wish to reiterate the federal government's commitment for the protection of lives and property of all law-abiding citizens before, during, and after the elections, while finally calling on all peace-loving Nigerians of the Southeast extraction to join hands with constituted authority to promote peace and development across the region and beyond. Once again, I welcome all the Axis members and other representatives of head of security agencies to this meeting. I wish you a fruitful deliberation. Thank you very much.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.